Today's word is satire. It is a noun. It means using humor or exaggeration to show that someone or something is silly or wrong. A way of writing or performing that makes fun of people, ideas, or bad habits to point out that they are ridiculous or need to change. Similar words include parody, mockery, irony. The cartoon used satire to show how silly it is for people to be on their phones all day. The funny play was a satire of how politicians act during an election. The book is a satire about how much adults worry about unimportant things.
Did you see that funny video where the actor pretends to be a lazy teacher?
Yes, it's satire because it makes fun of the silly way some teachers act to show how they should do better.
Emma explains that the video is satire because it uses humor and acting to point out bad behavior in a way that makes people think. Look for things that seem too exaggerated to be real. Ask yourself, is this meant to be taken seriously, or is it making a point through humor? Satire is not just about being mean. It is about teaching a lesson. Can you think of a TV show or a cartoon that makes fun of famous people or silly rules?